Function introduction of TSSD for AUTOCAD software. Tansuozhe Smart Structural Design, TSSD, is a software that enables rapid and batch generation of structural construction drawings. Its efficient and user-friendly drawing capabilities are highly favored by structural engineers. The software includes tools for drawing grids, beams, columns, walls, slabs, foundations, stairs, components, rebar, dimensions, text, tables, and more, with nearly 400 efficient tools. Using TSSD software can increase the drawing efficiency of engineers by dozens of times. Quickly draw grids. Quickly annotate the axis network. Quickly draw columns. Quickly annotate column dimensions. Batch scale up of columns. Quickly draw walls. Quickly open hole in walls. Quickly thicken wall lines. Quickly draw beams. Batch widen beam lines. Quickly annotate width of beam and wall. Parametric drawing of stair plans. Draw floor main reinforcement bar. Draw floor negative reinforcement bar and dimension. Annotate the range of reinforcement bars. Import the Excel table into CAD. Export the CAD table to Excel. Number increasing copy. Quickly label dimensions point by point. Directly annotate and review on CAD. Enter multiple lines of text. Quickly input text. Parametric drawing of beam elevations. Parametric drawing of beam cross-section. Library management. Quickly add node detail drawings. Quickly invoke node detail drawings. Quickly draw the drawing title. Quickly draw the drawing frame. Batch print DWG drawings as PDF/DWF/JPG/PNG and other formats. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.